guys seen this, and I did get a book haul yesterday and everything, and I've already done most of the books, but these are the last of the books that I have received in the 25-pound next book box and everything. And I did want to bring to the attention as to what I do when I receive the books. Um, as you can see, this particular book here, The Tiger's Wife, and everything, it has a little orange sticker here, and then it has this little sticker here. What I usually do when I first get the books is I take a look at the books to see what I have, and then I clean the books, just scan through the books, checking out the pages and things like that. Um, and I do an inventory. I write everything down on my paper and so forth. So I actually go through the books twice to make sure of damages, page, seeing the page written on them, and things like that. So I just wanted to, to bring that to you guys. And everything because these books are pretty important to me. uh, and everything. Oh, and one other thing that I do is once I clean up and do the inventory of these books and so forth, I also put a clear wrap around them and leave that on them just so that they'll stay fresh and clean until they're sold and whatever and all that. But yeah, I like to get any dirt off of them. I like to get any stickers off of them. And sometimes you have to use that glue, that S22. I also use that too to take the stickers off if they're hard to get off and all that. So, because I don't want that stuff to be on my books and everything. And you can also damage the books a little when you join that. But, yeah. So you need to be careful and make sure that, this stuff is going to come off a lot easier. You need to wet it a little bit. Now, just like this book is not damaged and so far, but just right there where I peeled that sticker off, now you see that it is, the spine of the book is a little damaged. So you got to mention that in your description. Okay? But the book is very, very nice, except for a few bent pages and everything, and that little incident there. Anyway, I'm going to try to do better with this one here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean this one off and not damage it. So, if you can avoid damaging your books, definitely, try. So, going to tap a little bit of alcohol on that part of the book right there. There's a sticker there, and then, of course, there's another sticker here. So, so this book is a little dirty. I'm going to scrub that off. Oh, dirt comes right off. So that's what I'm saying. You want to make sure your book is as clean as possible and everything when you sell it. And this is a purely, this book here is a poetry book, Across Spoon River, and it seems to be very popular. So we're going to try our best to get these stickers off and without damage. Yeah. And yeah, alcohol loosens up that glue, that sticky part of the sticker, and get it off. And believe me, all the books have it. See what I mean? I got that sticker off really well and everything. So now the big task is if I get this sticker off here without damage. And I'm going to show you one other book and everything that I'm cleaning up, and then I'm just going to go ahead and clean the rest of them off and everything. Oh, okay, this one is really easy to come off. Some of them are not real easy to come off, and then some of them are. So let's see here. I'm gonna damp that a little bit just for the end so I don't tear that. I don't want to do any damage to this particular book. This particular book, like I said, it seemed to be trending. It seemed to be a very popular book and everything. So, uh-huh. Yeah, and sometimes when you're trying to get this stuff off, it's just not gonna come off the way you actually want it to. So it's not a whole lot you can do, but just try your best and everything. And here we go. And right here, there is a tiny bit of damage right there, but make a note of that in your subscription. Okay, now these books here, you just pretty much need to just wipe them down and all that. Let's see here. Check out any stickers that you can get off, like that sticker there. I might can't get that off. It might not be. Anyway, you're gonna wipe this book down. This one here does not have any stickers and this and that, but I do like to wipe the plastic down and everything and clean it up some and all that. And I think this sticker here is like attached to this here, and I don't think you can get it off. But it doesn't give any price or anything like that. It just looked like a library thing or something. So anyway, gonna leave that on. This is two lies in the mountain, or who lies in the mountain, and so forth and everything. So one more book, and that's gonna be it. And this is the 50 Shades of Grace. So this is 50 Shades of Grace. It's like a little testimony book and everything and all that. And I only got like one little sticker to get off of this book, and I'm going to try to do that and everything without damaging. So let me add a little bit more alcohol here. I'm going to tap that on, let it sit, soak in a second or so, and then see if I can get this off without tearing. I do have my SR22 for really hard cases and all that, to help me get these stickers off without any damage, and all that stuff really, helps get the sticky parts off and everything. So anyway, and another thing too with these books and so forth, sometimes you do got to look up these books and so forth, Google them and so forth, and get the value of them and all that, because sometimes they're not on eBay or Amazon for the pricing, and you just need to, find out what the pricing is for these books and so forth. So I'm gonna finish up this here, getting the sticker off here, off camera and everything, and finish cleaning these other books up, and then my book haul will be finished and all that. So I'm excited about these books, guys. Make sure you check them out. I do have kids books. I have a book for everyone. Vintage history, vintage children's book, new fiction, science fiction, all of it and so forth. Check out eBay, ebay.com/USR/eMurray-435. Thank you. Bye.